Plymouth Suburban. Alright, and we're back at Motorama 2025. This time let's look at some classics, like this first gen Dodge Charger. Well, that's clean. This is the first Dodge Charger with a fastback. Very nice, very clean. You don't see many of these. Pretty cool. Moving on to this 340. That's awesome. Not a 6-pack. It's a 340 Magnum. Very clean. I think all the Mopars here are very clean. Very great presentation. It's a great show. 4-barrel. Alright. Very nice interior. Just like brand spanking new. Phenomenal. Plymouth Cuda. Not bad, not bad. Up next, Dodge Dart Swinger. That's cool with a no hood. Very nice. Wonder what motor's in here. Awesome possum. Wonder what this thing does at the track. This thing looks like a boogie's. I'm gonna assume that the interior is mint. No, there you go. Dart Swinger. I'm surprised what they came out with as an update for this Mopar. Gotta love that rear windshield. Could you imagine replacing that? Alright, let's take a look at what year this thing is. It is a 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger from Oshawa. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, next up, got this beautiful Plymouth Suburban. Now that is a classic. Vintage, I think. I don't know, I lost track of time here. They say 10-year-old cars are classic. But this right here is a classic wagon. Side dumps. Gotta love that intake. Look at that. I believe the original owner is in this one. Look at all the room for activities. I drive this. Put all sorts of camera equipment in there. Look how big this thing is. Holy. Plymouth Suburban. Definitely love the patina. This is a very nice look they put on there. I wonder how much paint it would take to even just paint this. Nice. Very cool. well, check out some other videos, okay, of this Motorama 2025. It's a good show. And you know what? I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace.